Oh, good call.
Give us some room. Alright.
Oh, this is great. The colors like are almost like identical. It's the morning of Highball, and funnily enough, it's actually the warmest morning that we've had in the last couple of months. I was invited out by Tim and a couple of his mates to go and pre-meet and cruise up to Highball in the morning, grab a quick coffee, and watch all of the cars roll in. And unfortunately, I didn't have my Skyline on me to be able to cruise up with them in fashion, but I did manage to bring my new Suzuki Swift Sport as a camera car to Highball. And what you'll find out when we get there is there was actually a surprise that was waiting for me when we arrived.
Welcome back, Jacob. Turn right.
When we arrived at Bosch, we noticed that there were a lot of red cars parked up on the grass, and I was actually peeled off to go and display my car with all of these amazing red beasts. Whoever decided to do a red theme for the day, I give you guys props because it turned out amazing, and I have never seen this much red in one spot.
Hello.
That is one weird looking Honda Beat. Look at this. Work equips on the rear, and I don't know what's on the front. That's the Datsun Skyline, I think. Look at that gold Charger too. Oh, look at that. Is that an Accord? It's not a Civic, it's a Accord, I think. Oh yeah, look at that lib wagon too. Look at all these. And then there's Skylar. Oh man, still dirty at the back too, look. Hey, there's the boys. So I've parked the Suzuki Swift right behind all these red cars. We've got like a whole sea of red over here, I'll show you guys. So many red cars. I have no clue why it's a red theme, but I'm going with it, it's sick. Even the Lancia too. Oh, that's not Lancia, that's the Alfa Romeo. Tarmac Rally, Honda today, Honda tomorrow. Look at this thing. Never have I seen one of these. The Highball GR86. How cool. Oh my god. It's Herbie. It's Herbie. Hey, it's a Nissan Exa. What's it called? N12 I think it is. N12 Pulsar Exa.
That's a turbo version.
Yeah, they're the turbo ones. Look at that. Pizza by day, track by night.
It looks like a sleeper. I thought that was a sleeper.
The Nug 37. That's cool. Look at all these. Oh yeah, I see it. Yellow Integra over there. Dude, the Lancias are leaving too. And right behind him is Highway Patrol. And a Miata. The Miata's just flexing on the newer Miata because he doesn't have headlights. It's like, I bet your car can't do this. That's amazing. Just being very slow. Very slow. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm not sure if I even got any of that, but we have now managed to get off the grass. I don't know how I did it, but we are here now. I'm just trying to get behind I-45. Hopefully they'll let me through. Unless I can pull in front, but I'm not gonna risk it. That's the thing. Gotta be super careful. But hopefully this will move, and then I can just follow suit. Here we go. Ooh, S2000 coming up. Look at this, look at this. Cool. Is that's not my old Exa, is it? No. That is a Exa. I think that's, I'll put its tag up, but I just saw a Nissan Exa out for the first time in a while. But yeah, I did see him recently, which is cool. Ooh, look at that thing. Is that I don't know which series that is, but it's cool though. Oh, dope. Really clear blue paint. Oh, look at that thing raw. I have a soft spot for Mazda RX-8s. I would really love to have a rotary one day. It would be a good experience. I think these days I've gone from owning one type of car to owning a couple. I've had a Nissan Exa, so 80s car. I've had a Suzuki Swift 2008. I've even had a Boxer engine, a WRX, and now I'm back in a new Swift. This is actually my first modern car that I've ever owned, which is great. That's a clean R31 wagon. Now, this is the first time that I'm taking the Swift Sport on the mountains, and the first thing I can already say is I am definitely running out of grip. I definitely think a grippier set of tires is definitely needed. Brake pads is probably another thing. I am very heavy on the brake pedal, so I got to be very careful. I got to get my brake weight just right, so I'm not over braking. I also need to watch out for brake wear, especially in the heat. We are going to Warburton first to go and chill and let our cars cool off, and then we're going straight up to Mount Donabuang. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. It's a decent drive, a lot of twisties. You guys are going to enjoy a awesome mountain range drive. Ooh. Okay. We're stuck behind a car going 20 under the limit, which happens a lot. Oh, they fixed it. It's actually done? Nice. Oh, I'm so glad. Got to mind that one on the way down. There's a bit of a bump on that one corner. We're coming up to the large hairpin where it separates from a car park to the rest of the summit road. So we're going to probably get a bit of time to take it a bit quicker. Let's see how we go. If he's pulling out, I'll keep going. Oh, he's pulling out. Cool. There's the rest of it. Watch out for that. That's why you keep in third gear. Slow down a little bit. See, that's pretty tight. I'm not gonna risk that. Oh, there they are. Hello.
Say cheese while you're at it.
Oh, the wind's a bit, the wind nearly blew my phone out of my hands.
My legs are getting a bit of twitchy. He's asking you to go down.
See, I was going to fly the drone, but I don't think I need it. Oh, it's Evo.
Answer or Evo?
Evo 10.
Okay. That's what the Lancer CJ is.